Hello everyone, I am Vishakha from class 9. Today I am here to present the topic on World Senior Citizen Day. So today is World Senior Citizen Day. World Senior Citizen Day, celebrated on August 21 each year, is a day dedicated to honoring and appreciating the contributions and achievements of older adults in society. The day serves as a reminder to recognize the valuable wisdom, experience and knowledge that senior citizens bring to our communities and raise awareness about the issues they may face. The concept of World Senior Citizen Day was established by the United Nations in its resolution 45 by 106 on December 14, 1990. The resolution recognized the importance of addressing the challenges and opportunities that came with an aging population and called for efforts to promote the well-being and rights of older people. The observance of World Senior Citizen Day can involve an array of activities and initiatives which can vary for our country to another and from one community to another. Here are some common ways in which the day is celebrated. Public awareness. Campaigns. Government and non-government organizations often put together campaigns to raise awareness about the rights, needs and contributions of senior citizens. These campaigns have focused on promoting intergenerational understanding and respect. Community events. Many communities hold events such as conclaves, art exhibitions, workshops, and seminars that celebrate the talents and accomplishments of senior citizens. These events provide opportunities for adults to showcase their skills and share their experience with their younger generations. Health and wellness activities. Health fairs, fitness classes and wellness seminars are often organized to encourage senior citizens to maintain an active and healthy lifestyle. These activities may provide information on nutrition, exercise and preventive health measures. World Senior Citizen Day serves as a platform to promote inclusivity, respect and a sense of community across generations. It emphasizes the importance of valuing and supporting the elderly population as they continue to play an active role in society and pass down their knowledge and wisdom to their generations. At the end, I want to recite the poem. The silver in their hair, the silver in their hair, a crown of grace, a crown of grace. Each wrinkle tells a story, each wrinkle tells a story. Time and space, time and space. Their eyes, though dim, their eyes, though dim, hold wisdom's gentle gleam, hold wisdom gentle gleam. Reflecting leaves lived, reflecting leaves lived, a vibrant falling stream, a vibrant falling stream. Thank you for listening.